Okay, it is time for the first official Smooki video. Go grab the ingredients. Almond breeze, almost out. Smooki. First step, very important. You get a little line there that shows you where to fill it up. Put the milk in first because it shows you the line. Woo, just the right amount. And it prevents the seeds from sticking to the glass. It'll all come together. So you dump the Smooki in. That was horrible. It's too big. We need smaller Smooki kits. This will all get solved in V2. Just clean these little seeds up. That in 5 seconds normally will happen. Still on the clock, still on the clock, even with that delay. Plug your ears, it's loud. Pro tip. Shake it around one time. Minute 18. Behind the back shot. Look at that, nutritious and delicious. Now, I'm gonna go wash this. You'll just have to trust me. Clean as can be. 1, 2, 158.